Whiskey Kilo Kilo, there will be a 737 descending on top of you to 12000. Just want to confirm you're on the Edmonton altimeter 29904.
Affirm 29904, Whiskey Kilo Kilo.
Roger, thank you.
This is a recent flight in Whiskey Kilo Kilo. This is a pressurized Cessna Skymaster. This flight departed CYBW Calgary Springbank, and the destination was Cold Lake Military Base. Initially I planned to record the entire flight, but unfortunately when it became time to depart there was a thunderstorm approaching. So I didn't have time to put a camera on the exterior, and I didn't even have time to record the departure. So we're picking up the flight about halfway here. This flight was filed IFR and cruising altitude was 11,000 feet. It would have been nice to have the external camera on because when we departed we basically flew right over YYC, so that was kind of interesting. The reason to go to Cold Lake Military Base was because there was an airshow and Whiskey Kilo Kilo was selected to be in this static display. And so this was an exciting and interesting prospect. I've never flown to a military base before, and the prospect of that was initially a bit intimidating, but I have to say that the people there were great. The soldiers and staff on the military base were very friendly and accommodating, as was ATC. So overall, for my first time there, they really made things easy for me, and I appreciate that. So overall, a great experience at Cold Lake.
Cold Lake Military Airport information, Mike, weather at 00 Zulu, wind 080 at 4, visibility 15, 6,000 view, 6,000 scattered, temperature 30, 2.12, altimeter 29907, millibars 1015. IFR approach RNAV, inform arrival of requested approach on initial contact. Arrivals and departures runway 13 left. Cable status 13 left. Both cables de-rigged. 13 right. Both cables up. 22. Departure cable up. Runway 0422 close to the maintenance.
Whiskey Kilo Kilo, contact Cold Lake Terminal 124.5. So long.
124.5, Whiskey Kilo Kilo, good day. Cold Lake Terminal, Cessna Skymaster Golf Whiskey Kilo Kilo, level 11,000.
Whiskey Kilo Kilo, good evening, Cold Lake Terminal, the altimeter 2997. We currently have 13 left as the active, with both cables are down. Do you know what approach you'd like?
Looking for RNAV 13 left with transition Nagdu for Golf Whiskey Kilo Kilo.
Whiskey Kilo Kilo, roger, clear direct Nagdu, descent 5,000 feet when ready.
Clear direct Nagnu, descent 5,000, when ready, Golf Whiskey Kilo Kilo.
Whiskey Kilo Kilo, Cold Lake Terminal, clear the airport, the RNAV 13 left approach, Nagdu transition.
Cleared to Cold Lake via the RNAV 13 left, Nagdu transition, Golf Whiskey Kilo Kilo.
Golf Whiskey Kilo Kilo, contact Cold Lake Tower 126.2.
126.2, Golf Whiskey Kilo Kilo, good day. Cold Lake Tower, Skymaster Golf Whiskey Kilo Kilo on RNAV 13 left.
Golf Whiskey Kilo Kilo, Cold Lake Tower, roger, continue with the RNAV runway 13 left. Whiskey Kilo Kilo, Cold Lake Tower, the approach and departure end cables are de-rigged, winds are 170.5, you're clear to land runway 13 left.
Clear to land 13 left, Golf Whiskey Kilo Kilo.
Stalker 51 Tower, altimeter is 29907. Stalker 51 Tower, roger. The only traffic I have right at the moment is a Skymaster about 2 miles final for 13 left.
$500.
Whiskey Kilo Kilo Tower, exit left on Kilo, and then contact me on ground 121.9.
Left on Kilo, then over to ground, Golf Whiskey Kilo Kilo.
Whiskey Kilo Kilo Tower, traffic will be one vehicle crossing the runway at the 04 intersection.
Roger, Whiskey Kilo Kilo.
This is where Whiskey Kilo Kilo was parked for the static display. I thought it was pretty sweet with the F-22s in the background. As mentioned, the staff there were really great. As soon as we landed, there was snacks and beverages for the kids and the grown-ups. The next day was a good air show. I'm a big fan of the fast jets. I didn't do much filming though, or pictures. Really, I was just too busy having a good time and enjoying the entire scene. The F-22 demonstration team was there. As expected, they put on a really good show with these really impressive jets. So on the flight back, I was planning to mount the cameras and record the whole thing. But unfortunately, another storm came in and we had to depart short notice. The flight back was easy though, we got ahead of the storm, and overall there was no problems. However, partway through the flight, I did get this notice about a tornado warning. Fortunately, the tornado was about 100 miles away, and it actually didn't affect us in any way. So, overall, Cold Lake Airshow was a really positive experience. I had a lot of fun, and the people there are great. I highly recommend it. See ya.